Oh yeah, so good. My
push， 哇，
push. Okay, so
掉下来了。
you can see.
对，这个真的是压轴好吃。
It's evil. It's evil, I tell you.
嗨，大家好，欢迎回到库巴里萨，我是 Lisa，
我是杜。
那今天的影片呢，就是要介绍你们8种我们觉得去塞尔维亚必买的零食、或是伴手礼。
对，差不多都是甜甜，我最喜欢。
好，今天就跟我们一起来开箱，还有试吃这8种零食吧。嗨，大家！影片开始之前呢，容我小小的工商服务时间一下。很开心这次又跟 Ana Luisa 合作。那之前的影片呢，我有介绍过，就是在那个孕期购物那一集啊，有讲过这个就是很美的项链，对不对？那这次呢，我又选了2个很推荐的项链给大家看。因为现在生完小孩之后要哺乳，所以常常就要穿这种衬衫类，因为开扣的比较方便嘛。所以我现在就比较少戴这种吊坠的项链，那取而代之的呢，我就是这种圆形的圆链状的项链，我觉得非常的方便，也非常适合有领子的衣服。他们的项链设计很简约，但是可以看到很多细节，像这款戴起来就意外的很闪，而且啊，我觉得这样细细的就是一个很优雅的点缀。而且现在年底啦，如果想要买一个小礼物送自己的话呢，赶快到 Ana Luisa 的官网去看一看，因为有很多的折扣哦，就是可能会有一些送礼的需求啊，或是圣诞交换礼物啊，我觉得都很适合买这种小小的单品礼物来送，因为这些都是很经典款啊，也没有年龄的限制，单价也不会太高的这种小礼物来送礼就最棒了。如果你有兴趣的话呢，可以到下方资讯栏看更多哦。那就开始今天的影片吧。
第一种是这个，
哦，这个
是 bananica.
Bananica.
Chocoladna bananica.
Okay.
So this one was the original one from my childhood, which I really like. Red one is original taste, and this is a new and improved packaging. But
所以它的特色是什么？
so this is like a banana taste with chocolate coating.
What I like very much is in Serbia, they're selling these like small packages. So actually you can buy only one and different flavor to try.
So you can see it. It's like a banana shape, and then when you break it, inside it's like a sponge.
It's like marshmallow and coated with chocolate.
Yeah, and you can smell it. It smells like banana, right?
对耶，哦，好香蕉哦。
对啊。
嗯
It's very sweet. But I love it. So good.
里面很甜哦。但有一点点酸酸甜甜的，微微的。
Just a little bit. It's one of my favorite ones because it always brings me to my childhood. Because family and friends, they were always bringing like these kind of things. If you are visiting someone, they'll usually bring it to you.
OK， 那我们来试试看下一个，就是 Bananica
Ledena bananica. This should be mint.
Mint。
Yes. Let's see. See, wow, it has a jelly inside. So, Shishkano.
很像软糖的感觉。哦，有哎，
Ah,
后面有一点凉凉的。
but at the very end, so it takes some time to kick off.
Yeah.
Interesting. And this one is raspberry. So raspberry is one of my favorite fruits. So I hope this is good. I have high hopes on this one. A raspberry jam, but it's a bit dark, so you can't see it very well. But the smell is very strong raspberry.
哦，好像那个糖果的味道。
Yeah.
依然很甜。
Yes, but this one is really good.
这个真的是，如果你去塞尔维亚可以买来吃吃看，但我觉得非常甜。
It is, but it's one of the traditional desserts which you should try.
对，是一个必吃的甜点。
Okay, so next one is this one.
怎么
Called
念？
Jaffa cakes, but we are calling it Jaffa cakes as it's written, and this is original orange taste. We have a new edition which is sour cherry. I have high hopes on this one, as sour cherry is also one of my favorites. It's not original Serbian dessert, it's more British. Good taste.
OK， 我们都一起开吧。
好。
但这个 Jaffa cake 呢，因为它叫 cake 嘛，所以它的底呢，其实有点介于软饼干跟蛋糕之间的质地。你开看。
Okay, so as you can see, it's quite soft. You can just break it. So this is inside how it looks like. Smells like an orange. Good.
Oh yeah.
Brings me back home immediately.
那我开另外一个哦。
But this one is a little bit different. It's full choco.
哦。
So you can see the difference between
哦，
two.
对耶，它这个下面是完全是巧克力的，
Yeah.
然后这边它这个是原味的。
Yes, even inside.
它里面还有一个很像哇 jelly or in Asia we put mochi。
Yeah, it's kind of a jelly. It's kind of a fruit jelly, and this should be sour cherry.
So cherry, oh my god。这个跟 banana 茶比起来啊，没有那么甜。
Yeah.
还不错，
This is really good.
很
So-
适合当下午茶哎，就配茶或咖啡。
Yeah, I didn't try this one before. It's my first time. It's very good. Sour cherry is typical for Balkans. It's different than cherry cherry. This is definitely one of the must try.
所以这个叫什么 Jaffa cake，
Jaffa cakes.
推荐 approve。
Approved. Okay, another one is called Animal Kingdom or Životinsko carstvo. This is not Serbian dessert. It is Croatian made, but it is from our childhood. So the taste is just a milk chocolate. All of them are same, but you can see there's a couple of photos here.
啊，所以你就会 collect 这个动物是不是？
Yes, you can keep the
Cover,
wrap, the cover,
yeah.
but what is famous is there is actually a
哇
sticker inside
Wow.
with a number.
哦
So they have an album, and then you can stick them in.
哇，
So-
所以有时候就会有隐藏版的。哇，我得到一只大长毛象。
Yes. So you can collect the
How
stickers,
cool.
you can exchange them. There is an album, and usually if you fill everything in, you will get the gift.
真的哦。
Yeah. So you need to
哇
send the complete filled album, and the factory will send you a gift.
哦，好可
So
爱
either
哦。
a chocolate or some kind of discounts. So this was one of the real childhood desserts and memories when we were kids. So it's very tiny chocolate. It's only around 15 gram. It's very cute chocolate. Looks like this. It didn't change for years. So for the last 40 years as I know it, it is like this.
哦，哎，很漂亮哎。
Yeah.
这个 brand 叫什么
Crush.
K R A S
Called Crush.
Crush。
Yes, it's one of the old factories. So shishikan, you can just break a little bit.
Okay.
You can try.
就是 milk chocolate。
It's just a milk chocolate, but taste is very good.
我知道，就有点像那个 Kinder，就是健达出奇蛋。
Something like that.
You eat chocolate basically, but you are collecting the other
Yeah,
thing.
the main point is on this. So before they had different kind of wrap, now it's more modern, but the principle is the same. The taste is the same.
第四个是不是？
Suga, yes.
是
Munchmellow.
Marshmallow。
Yeah, it's same company Jaffa, but it
这个
is.
是 banana 茶加那个 Jaffa cake 的组合吗？
It's very close. So
Okay.
this one is a little bit different, wrapped up in this kind of paper, and inside there is a cookie and there is a marshmallow. So
OK，
if
这
you-
个我也没有吃过。
So your first time, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
never
so
tried.
It looks like this.
OK，
It's very hard to break it actually.
Yeah,
So
OK。
Yeah, actually can. Okay,
哦，
so-
那个有拉丝感的。
yes.
哦
So inside it's kind of a marshmallow, and there is a cookie. So there is a cookie and chocolate coating. So it is sweet. It's like vanilla smell.
很软呢，里面比刚刚那个 banana 茶更软。
Good, no change.
哦，它那个棉花糖比较有空气感。
Yes.
More
it's kind of
airy.
more airy, more puffed. So you can eat it cold, you can eat it on room temperature. But it is the same. It's one of the unique flavors.
我觉得比 Jaffa cake 更甜。
Bananitsa is like here, then Jaffa Keks is here, and
This
the
is-
marshmallow is.
No marshmallow is same. Same,
For me, it's below.
No,
For
no.
me, it's below, but it's okay. So as we are trying sweets, let's try next.
Can we try something salty?
Salty. Can. Okay. Okay, this one. Shtapichi, sake kirikiem. So these are
有点像 Pocky 的感觉。
kind of a pocky, yes, but filled with peanut butter.
哦
Yeah,
，inside。
inside. So you
Wow.
can see inside there is a peanut butter here a little bit. So we can open one and then you will see. So these are a little bit thicker ones because they have filling inside. It's slightly thicker. And then when you break them,
哎，比我想象中的要粗一点。
when you break them, you can see there is a filling inside.
哎，好
they're
酷
hollow.
哦。
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah. Just here in the middle or here, you can see the yellow thing. That's peanut butter inside.
哦
Try it. It's quite unique taste.
哦，我懂了。它这个饼干呢，就是空心，然后蛮脆的，里面有海盐。那有点像我们会吃到什么芝麻饼干之类的， 回味是有花生的味道。
Yes, yes, and you can see there are some. That's why we're calling them like the salty sticks because there are salt crumbles on the top of it. And then this one is with peanut, and then we have some others which are regular ones. But you should try them for sure.
好吃哎，我觉得会一直吃下去的那种，不会腻。然后花生是很微微的，没有到很明显，就是有点花生味这样子。
Yes. Let's try another one.
这个也是我第一次吃，好吃。
好吃。好。
好。
Then next one is smoky. It's also a salty thing.
OK， 这个也跟花生有相关的，对不对？
Yes, it's called smoky. It is made out of peanuts, and it's quite unique shape and taste.
哦，哎，有点像，我知道了，乖乖，但我不知道吃起来像不像。
Try.
可以试试看。
Try. If it's fresh, it shouldn't be chewy.
哦，试一下，
Yeah,
剥开。哎，里面没有东西，这个是没有东西的。
Yeah, don't you? It's just a paste. So you can see it looks like a peanut before the opening.
而且它这个是咸的，比刚刚这个花生棒更明显是咸味的。We have 乖乖 similar like this,
Yes.
and we have salty one 五香味的，但这个没有很明显的五香，但是有那种花生味。这个好吃好吃，推荐。这个 smoky， 我们现在买的这些都是在 supermarket 就可以买得到。
Yeah, you can buy anywhere. So almost every shop has this one and that one. This is like 30 cents roughly around. I think that's the price, up to €1, not more than that. Enjoy? Okay.
好吃。
So back to sweets.
好。
Also smoky, but
哦。
this one is smoky. Wow.
好。
It is smoky but with chocolate.
Wow,
Yeah.
let's see if I will wow. 哎，等一下，我要介绍一下这个，这好酷哦，有个 Wow Experience，然后它有个很像那个立体袋子的感觉，我来看看会不会很 Wow。
Wow.
哇哦！
I hope this is the first time for me to open this kind of bag. So
对
I
啊，
don't
好
know.
酷哦，它这样来立体的，倒出来看看哦。嘿，哎，卡住了，哎，这好大颗哦，哇，
It is
好可爱哦。
shape of the peanuts, as I mentioned.
对啊，这更像花生哎，好可爱哦。
But this one I didn't try, so this
Okay.
is the first time.
我想先剥开看看里面是不是真的有夹心。哦，这个好比较硬哦。
有吗？
有一点点，但感觉是固态。
Wow.
对，就这样，就这样。不是软的。
It's interesting. It's a bit salty and sweet at the same time.
就是巧克力味很重哎，跟刚刚那个很花生有点不一样，那也很好吃。
Approved. Good.
哇哦！I say wow.
You said wow, yeah. So that's why it's smoky wow.
哇哦！但是你看它这里照片本来是有点膏状的巧克力在里面，但其实是固体的。
Yeah, this one I didn't try before. There is another in between these two. There is a regular smoky, just with chocolate coating, which is quite good. But this is something new and
哎，这个好巧克力哦，很好吃哎，
对
而且不会很甜，我觉得，就是中间有点微微巧克力味，然后外面是咸的，而且脆脆的，很好吃，赞！
Let's go another one.
好，
This is one of the childhood memories as well. It's called C de Vita. C de Vita. C is a vitamin C. So this is one of the original flavors. There is lemon and orange. Now they have some other things.
它下面就是一罐很像水，然后上面是一个很像维他命 C 的那个 pill， 对不
It's a
对？
powder. It's kind of a powder.
它有趣的就是你打开之后它会掉下来，掉下来之后呢就会变汽水
Yes.
Okay.
Not tea. Not very tea. It's not.
，very cheap。
It's not. It's not sparkling too much. It's just a little bit. inside,
OK
not
OK，
too
好
much.
好好，我帮你 hold it。我要 open， 好好
Yeah, so
好
you
紧
need
张
to
哦。
Open it here.
它会 bubble 吗？哎，push， 哇，
Push. Okay. So
掉
you
下
can,
来
you
了。
can see it goes from here.
哦，有粉。
Yeah. And then you shake it
哦，a little bit。
a little bit.
OK，
Slightly carbonated, but very, very little. You can try.
这个是 Creation Brand。
Creation brand, yeah. But this is Teddy.
哦，它是有个洞，因为刚刚我们 push，它就会把它
Yeah,
推
because
下来。
before it was actually twist, so I didn't used to. They changed the.
哦，它有个可以
yeah,
搓的，
yeah, they changed the
有
packaging.
点像维他命 C 饮料的味道。
It's quite refreshing. It's not too sweet, right?
那个气泡很细微， 那如果它很冰的时候，我觉得应该蛮好喝的。
Yeah.
就
So
是柠檬汁、柠檬饮料的感觉。
yeah, they have orange, they have lemon. These are traditional ones. You can buy it in the box or in the
对
bag.，
我之前去 Croatia 有买是 powder，
Yes.
你可以买 powder， 然后直接回家泡也可以。
Yes.
那也有这种就是整罐，就是你买了可以立刻做，做完就可以喝了。
Yeah, this is more like if you are in the city and then you wish to have a drink, refreshment quickly. So
Okay.
it's quite okay.
我觉得就是东欧版的弹珠汽水的感觉。
Yeah, it is similar.
好
Okay.
这个就是我们第7个。好，
And
最后一个。
this one.
耶，压轴好物。这个压轴好物是什么呢？
It is evil thing, I can tell you. So this one, the white one, is an almond with the chocolate coating plus cinnamon. Not too sweet and with roasted almond. The other one is a dark chocolate raspberry. Raspberry is dried out and then coated with the chocolate filling. It's very good. And
Okay,
it's
and
very
this brand
addictive.
is Serbian brand
Yes, same producer as this one.
啊 ，Bananica，
Yes.
还有 Smoky 也
Yes,
是，对不
same
对？
producer.
哦，所以是一个很大的 company，其实。
Yeah, they have a lot of desserts and sweets.
这个包装啊比较特别，是要在塞维亚，就是 Belgrade 的市区里面呢，有很多它的专卖店，
Yes.
对，所以你要去它的巧克力店里面才买到这个特别口味的，就是有坚果的，然后还有这个是包 sour cherry。
Yes. No, this is, yeah, should be
Yeah,
sour
sour
cherry. They have strawberry, they have raspberry as well.
这个超好吃的，这个真的是压轴好吃。
Evil, it's evil, I tell you.
它是牛奶巧克力，里面有杏仁、坚果，然后重点是外面这层白白的啊是肉桂粉，所以如果
Yeah.
喜欢肉桂的人，就一直吃下去停不下来，我觉得超好吃的。
And these are sour cherries.
这比较看不太出来，
You cannot see it.
它里面是那种冷冻的果干，外面有巧克力这样子，看不出来哦。
Yeah, cannot, a little bit. You can see the red thing.
我的有，
Oh, yeah.
这就是冷冻果干啊，里面很酸酸的，然后外面是巧克力。
Yeah, because they will dry them out with low temperature, and basically the shape will remain.
在店里我们还有吃了一个是草莓的，草莓的很大颗，而且很便宜。在塞维亚买巧克力真的很便宜。
Strawberry is with milk chocolate, and the taste is awesome.
OK，
Anything else? I think we didn't miss any. So I think that's it for today.
吃了7种甜点哎，
Sugar.
等一下去健身房了。
Sugar bomb. Well, we still need to finish the ones which are open. Cannot
Yeah.
trash.
OK， 所以以上呢就是8种我们觉得去塞维亚必买的甜点们，还有就是伴手礼们。那像这种小包装啊，我觉得都很适合买来送朋友
Yeah.
你就可以很简单的去分，所以我觉得很棒。
Yeah, these are easy things to transport. So if you wish to bring to someone to try it, it's safe to put it in the luggage. The packaging is quite good. It will not leak into your things. So just have it to try.
对，好了，那这就是我们的推荐。如果你们有去塞维亚玩，or you're Serbian, you want to recommend some other things, leave us a comment.
Yeah, please.
Yes, and 如果你刚好去东欧啊，或是塞维亚，或是克罗埃西亚玩的时候呢，就可以去超市找找看有没有这些甜点可以买了哦。那 Thank you for watching our video,
And see you next time.
and subscribe and like our video if you like the content, and bye bye.
下次见。